So what is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. So finally, as you can see, Redmi Note 9 Pro is finally here, and this is my device which I just bought right now and I have in my hands. Redmi Note 9 Pro unboxing is gonna start, so make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm gonna unbox it, we're gonna check out which other things you get here, and you will surely get a lot of custom ROMs based on available for Redmi Note 9 Pro, how to unlock bootloader, how to install custom recovery, a lot of tutorials for Redmi Note 9 Pro. So make sure to subscribe my channel if you're new here, and also make sure to like and share this video also. Let's get started. Let's find out how this build is. So guys, as you can see, it's Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G 48 megapixel AI quad camera, 16 megapixel in display selfie camera is here, dot display full HD plus 6.67 inches, 5020 mAh type battery, 18 watt fast charger in the box, and 48 point plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel cameras available. I have bought the Aurora blue color of 64GB 4GB variant. So let's unbox this first and let's find out how this kind of device is, and I will find useful it or not. So we're just gonna open it once, and here it is. This kind of white kind of thing is kind of very interesting. So now by just opening it, here we have our device here. What is this? This might be some manuals and some things like that, so just try it. We have this pin ejector, sim tool ejector, and we have this soft case available here and some user manuals. It's very short kind of thing. We have this small short case and looks transparent kind of thing, which is very interesting, but yes, it's cheap and I'm not gonna use it. Of course, we have to buy a different one, and it's same like the Redmi Note 8 which I bought some time ago. And as you can see, we have the sim ejector tool available here. Other things are kind of the same thing, user manual and some things like that. So here we have our device right now in our hands, and this is our Redmi Note 9 Pro, which looks very interesting. And this is the look which we get here, and looks very interesting. The default look is here. We have the fingerprint sensor here, which is with the button and the fingerprint sensor. So we just reboot it, we just power on our device, and the shining is very interesting. This camera look is quite amazing, by the way. These some stickers we're gonna remove right now from here, so just remove them. And okay, let's remove it once. Yes, now this looks very interesting. As you can see, full gradient look, which looks better. And yes, we just rebooted our device, and punch hole display, and yes, we have our Redmi Note 9 Pro in our hands, which looks very amazing. The display is quite good, it's quite smooth, by the way. Let's try something other if we have what is in the box. So just remove it once. We have this charger here with this cable. The cable is of course type C. Yes, it's type C available here, so that's kind of very cool kind of thing. And at last we have the dock. So let's find out how this dock is. Okay, so 18 watt dock is here, you can see here, and we have the 18 watt charger in the box in Redmi Note 8 also. Yes, this is Qualcomm fast charger, 18 watt, and for Redmi Note 9 Pro it's available too. It's kind of interesting thing. So all the things are here. We're gonna check out our device right now, how this device is. The device is very cool and interesting, and I'm fully satisfied after buying this maybe. And this is a punch hole display camera here, which looks very interesting. Actually, I don't know how I feel about this till now, because we have latest MIUI 11 global here. This is Redmi Note 9 Pro Indian model with a June security patch by default. And yes, I think we have update. First of all, let's connect it to Wi-Fi, and then we'll check out all these things. Let's talk about this fingerprint, which is kind of very interesting thing. I don't know if this would be easy for me to pick up. So let's go to the password and security, choose the fingerprint lock. So for example, I'm gonna choose my pin first of all. Okay, so we're gonna choose 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and let's try out our fingerprint sensor. Okay, that looks very interesting, and actually I am not feeling easy by using this, because every time I have used a device with the rear mounted fingerprint sensor, but first time I'm using this, so that is very interesting. We have fingerprint recognition method, touch or press. Yes, this is kind of interesting. We have to find out a lot more things in this build. This is a Redmi Note 9 Pro which I just bought. We have almost all these apps still available, like the games and Z Me Pay Me Credit, which I'm gonna delete for sure. And this is Mini 11 pre-installed, and we're gonna update it to Mini 12 also if it is available. And yes, a lot more videos for Redmi Note 9 Pro, like the bootloader unlock, TWP recovery installation, and a lot more things. I'm gonna make videos very soon, so stay tuned for that. And now this is all from today's unboxing video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.